Good morning, children. Today we are here to celebrate a special day. Do you know what is it? Okay, let me tell you a riddle. Okay, it is related to fruits. Okay, children? Okay, this is a fruit. It has green and yellow color and it has only one seed. Which is that fruit? Yes, children, it is a mango. So today we are here to celebrate National Mango Day. National Mango Day is celebrated on 22nd July every year. So as a part of our Fun Friday, we are celebrating National Mango Day today. So children, I know everybody loves mangoes. Isn't it children? Yes, even I like mangoes. Mangoes are very juicy and pulpy. It's very tasty to eat mangoes. But we don't get mangoes every time, isn't it children? When do we get mangoes? Yes, we get mangoes in the summer season, isn't it? We just had finished our summer season and we had eaten a lots of mangoes, isn't it? Yes, so summer is the season of mangoes. And children, do you know when did mangoes came to India? Mangoes came to India 5000 years ago. So 5000 years ago mangoes came to India. Now India has become one of the largest producer of mangoes. In every state of India, we have different types of mangoes, isn't it? In Maharashtra, we have some types of mango, and in Andhra Pradesh, we have a different type of mango. In Uttar Pradesh, we get another type of mango. So every state has different types of mangoes, isn't it? Yes. So mangoes are of different types of and varieties. Some are yellow in color, some are green and red in color. The color also sometimes changes. So children, today we are going to see about the different types of mangoes around us. So let us see some of the different types of mangoes in India. So children, 22nd July is the National Mango Day. So let us see some of the different types of mangoes. Alfonso mango. This is a very tasty mango and this we get in Maharashtra also. Isn't it children? Yes. This is Alfonso mango. This is Kesar mango. And this is another type of mango called Dasheri mango. And this is another one called Badami mango. This is Totapuri mango. This is Neelam mango. So children, we have seen different types of mangoes, and have you noticed children? These mangoes have different shapes also, isn't it? Yes. And some are dark yellow color and some are light yellow color and some are red mixed color. So there are different shapes and colors for mangoes. So children, let us see some of the mango facts. Let us learn something about mangoes. Mango is considered as the king of fruits. So children, we all know that mango is the king of fruits. Next is mango is the national fruit of India. Mango is the national fruit of India. Children, we all eat mangoes. So do you know mangoes are rich in vitamins and minerals? Mangoes are rich in vitamin A, B and C and antioxidants which aid in keeping our immune system strong. It helps to keep our immunity strong. So mangoes are rich in vitamin A, B and C. So mangoes are very good for our health. See children, did you see this picture? This is the picture of the oldest mango tree in India. It is 300 years old. See, it's very big mango tree and it is 300 years old. Oldest mango tree of India. Next, do you know children? Mango tree is the national tree of Bangladesh. It is the national tree of Bangladesh. So children, we have learned some of the facts about mangoes. Now let us move on to the next one. Mango desserts. We all like desserts, isn't it children? After eating our lunch or dinner, we all have desserts. So let us see some of them which are prepared from mango. So this is a mango cake. This is mango juice. I know everyone like mango juice. Yes, this is mango sweet. Now we have a mango pudding. This is also a mango pudding with dry fruits. Now this is another one which is prepared from mango kulfi. We all like it, isn't it children? Now next one, we prepare lots of sweet items with mangoes and with unripe mangoes we prepare pickles also. We all eat mango pickles. It's very tasty. So mango pickles can also be made from unripe mangoes. This is a mango pickle. So children, we have seen so many items prepared with mango. So let us hear a mango rhyme. It's time for a rhymes now. Let's enjoy the song.
Mango. The mango is the king of fruits and is one of the most tastiest of all the fruits. There are different varieties of mangoes. The mango has a single big seed in the center.
Hey Mr. Mango, let's go to the tango. You are full of vitamins that make us strong to win. You are so tasty, both sweet and tangy. I love you, yummy yum. Come and ask my mummy mum. Hey Mr. Mango, let's go to the tango. You are full of vitamins that make us strong to win. You are so tasty, both sweet and tangy. I love you, yummy yum. Come and ask my mummy mum.
Mango. The mango is the king of fruits and is one of the most tastiest of all the fruits. There are different varieties of mangoes. The mango has a single big seed in the center.
Hey Mr. Mango, let's go to the tango. You are full of vitamins that make us strong to win. You are so tasty, both sweet and tangy. I love you, yummy yum. Come and ask my mummy mum. Hey Mr. Mango, let's go to the tango. You are full of vitamins that make us strong to win. You are so tasty, both sweet and tangy. I love you, yummy yum. Come and ask my mummy mum.
So children, hope all of you enjoyed the song. Wish you all a happy mango day. Enjoy your day and thank you and have a nice day.